People Upstairs by Ogden Nash, 1902 to 1971. The people upstairs all practice ballet. Their living room is a bowling alley. Their bedroom is full of conducted tours. Their radio is louder than yours. They celebrate weekends all the week. When they take a shower, your ceilings leak. They try to get their parties to mix by supplying their guests with pogo sticks. And when their fun at last abates, they go to the bathroom on roller skates. I might love the people upstairs more if only they lived on another floor. Okay, this is a poem by Ogden Nash. Let's see. Ogden Nash was born in New York State, and as a child he travelled all over the place because his family was always moving. When he married, he settled down and lived in Baltimore. He worked for the New Yorker for a while, and he took part in many television programs as well. So let's see, The People Upstairs by Ogden Nash. The style of Ogden Nash reminds me a lot of perhaps Edward Lear. And I think he's following in this idea of nonsense poetry from Lewis Carroll through Edward Lear. And this is funny poetry. I think it's both for children and for adults as well. Anyway, this poem is about the outrageous amount of noise that his neighbours make upstairs, and he doesn't know what they do, but he imagines, and he's using hyperbole to tell you how much noise they make, and he's making funny suggestions about the things that they might be doing, and he's talking about the things they do, and the guesses that he makes are strange and they're funny. The way he writes also adds to the interest, and his poems always have a nice rhyme and rhythm. Sometimes you have to stretch the pronunciation a bit to make the rhyme work. For example, the people upstairs all practice ballet. Their living room is a bowling alley. Okay, so ballet alley, but ballet alley. Yeah, if you stretch it, it works. So he's saying that they're always dancing ballet upstairs, dum boom boom, and then their living room is a bowling alley. They go bowling in the living room, and that's something that makes a lot of noise. Their bedroom is full of conducted tours. I don't know if you ever heard the person taking round a conducted tour, and they've got their microphone, and everybody for 100 meters can hear what they're saying. Their radio is louder than yours. Okay, so the radio they've got on in the room upstairs is louder than the radio you've got in this room. They celebrate weekends all the week. So it's like it's the weekend all the week. They're having parties and things like that all week. When they take a shower, your ceilings leak, and when they have showers, there's water that comes through your ceiling. So these people could really be terrible. He's imagining all the terrible things that could happen. They try to get their parties to mix by supplying their guests with pogo sticks. So a pogo stick is a stick with a spring on it, and you're supposed to jump up and down on it. So when they have a party, there's a huge banging, yeah, people jumping up and down on pogo sticks. And when their fun at last abates, they go to the bathroom on roller skates. And when the party is finished, when they've had enough, they put on their roller skates in order to move about and go to the bathroom. I might love the people upstairs more if only they lived on another floor. So I'd like them a lot more if they didn't live above me, if they didn't make all this noise, if they didn't create all of this happening. So he's clearly irritated by it, but he's very, very positive, and he's using surprising images that are fun. And he's going over the top, but this is hyperbole, showing quite how much noise that they are making. So this is really quite a fun poem, The People Upstairs by Ogden Nash.